Can somebody tell me why the hell are we still boiling things in 2019? Hey, I'm Colin. I'm a home cook who learned the basics from his mom, and now I'm trying to learn how to make everything. Most of the time when I cook, it's more like a cooking project where I use elaborate methods with simple ingredients. If that's your thing, go ahead and hit subscribe. I was watching this show on Netflix called Ugly Delicious with Dave Chang, and they did an entire episode on shrimp and prawns. So naturally they were in New Orleans and Houston. So of course the topic of a shrimp boil came up. Now if you don't know what a shrimp boil is, it's pretty much what it sounds like. You get a giant pot of boiling water going, and then here's the magic. You dump in as much Old Bay seasoning as you can handle. So then you toss into that cauldron corn and potatoes, shrimp of course, andouille sausage, whatever you like, and then you dump it all out when everything's finally cooked out onto a big tray or a table, and everybody kind of just picks at it, and it's perfect for a party. So in that episode, Dave just kept asking everybody, why the hell are you boiling everything? Isn't there a better way to cook those ingredients? At first I was in the don't fix what ain't broke camp. All you have to do is get one giant pot of water with Old Bay going, and you can pump out a mountain of food and have an awesome good time, and it tastes amazing. But then Dave was asking somebody, would you boil any of those ingredients any other time? And the answer is obviously no. I'm not eating boiled potatoes on the regular. I think you get away with it in a shrimp boil because Old Bay really is that good. So the only real reason to get away from boiling everything would be texture reasons. I love grilled food where you can get a super crispy, crunchy exterior and then have like a lush, juicy interior in your food. Now I've seen other shrimp boil for grill recipes before, and most of them have aluminum foil packets as part of the recipe, which is just gonna steam the food on the grill, making things just as mushy as if you were to boil them. So today what I wanna do is put all the things you would normally find from a shrimp boil out on the grill, and I wanna get a crispy exterior and a juicy, luscious interior. Oh, and don't worry, we are definitely gonna get some Old Bay flavor up in there. All right, so since we're not gonna be boiling everything in Old Bay today, I've gotta find another way to get Old Bay into everything. So I'm gonna make an Old Bay compound butter and an Old Bay vinaigrette. I'm gonna start off by brining the shrimp in salt and baking soda. The salt will keep the shrimp nice and moist, and the baking soda will allow for a nice firm texture. While that brines, I can boil my potatoes, shuck the corn, oil it up with salt and pepper, and I'll get some things together in a pan to braise the sausage in once it gets some color on the grill. All right, so now we just have to cook everything in stages. I'll start off with the stuff that takes the longest time to cook and move my way down to the stuff that takes the shortest amount of time to cook. Well, there you have it. I hope you try to make this. It's so much fun to make, and I love the interactivity with being able to just get your fingers in there and grab and just chop on whatever you want. All right, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.